If you're looking for help fixing your Whynter refrigerator, look no further. Our comprehensive Whynter refrigerator repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. Whynter manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Whynter appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Faulty condenser fan. A condenser fan is one of the 4 components of a fridge cooling system. It is installed to facilitate the cooling of the condenser coils. The condenser fan starts running when the fridge is powered on. If the condenser fan does not run, the condenser coils will start to overheat. Over time, there will be heat transfer throughout the fridge starting from the cooling system. Check if the condenser fan is rotating smoothly and if there's any obstruction. The blades might be covered in dust and dirt, or they may be frosted over by ice. Whatever the case, you have to clean the fan and observe its working condition again. If the fan blade needs replacement, you can do it yourself by simply unscrewing the nuts and detaching the assembly from the fan motor section. Then install the new fan blade and your fridge will be good as new. Damaged evaporator fan. If you open your fridge, you will feel a rush of cold air. This cold air emanates from the evaporator coils. If you notice the evaporator coils are defective, the appliance will not generate cold air. The fan of the evaporator may be blocked or bent due to the buildup of dirt or dust. When this happens, cooling will not take place. Check the evaporator fan to know if there is frost accumulation. In addition, the evaporator fan blades should be observed to see if they are running smoothly. If you notice ice buildup, melt it by shutting down the fridge for some time. Also, dust and debris should be cleaned. If the blade is bent or broken, go for a replacement. Broken thermostat. The thermostat regulates the fridge temperature, so it may be responsible for the cooling issue. The thermostat supplies power to the compressor, condenser, and evaporator fan. Sometimes, the thermostat may still cool the interior components of your Whynter fridge even though it is not working properly. However, once it is completely broken, you can't repair it. You will have to go for a replacement. The user's guide and online manual breaks down the steps to replace the thermostat of your Whynter fridge. But then, if you feel the procedure is too technical, you can hire a technician to help you out. Temperature imbalance. The temperature of your fridge and the temperature of the environment has to be in equilibrium before cooling can occur. The Whynter fridge does not have a refrigerant tank that is supposed to supply cold air throughout the fridge interior. Instead, the manufacturers of the Whynter fridge equips it with a Peltier module that conducts heat away from the cabinet. While this is more eco-friendly than the refrigerant, it is less effective when it comes to cooling. This is because the Peltier module does not maintain its low temperature, which is needed for cooling. Consequently, if there is a temperature imbalance, because you placed your Whynter fridge in an environment where the temperature is above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, cooling will not occur. So, do the right thing by placing the fridge in the appropriate environment. Perhaps, you should turn on the air conditioner of your room when the temperature is too high. Poor ventilation. If the temperature and thermostat are functioning properly, the ventilator may be the source of the cooling problem. The Whynter fridge needs proper ventilation for it to expel heat from the fridge. To solve the ventilation problem, ensure that the fridge is placed in a well-ventilated environment. Also, do not put anything on top of the fridge. If your Whynter fridge has a countertop unit, ensure it is not placed close to appliances like toaster oven and microwave that produce heat.